Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Realme C20A. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C20A and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say language and region. After click over language and region, you're going to find here languages. By default or maybe somehow it's appear English and you want to choose your favorite one. For example, I want to choose this Catalan and then let me choose here done, and now it's giving you pop-up. Do you like to change English to Catalan? It will different language. I'm going to click here this red icon which is changed to Catalan. Now you can see my phone has successfully changed English to Catalan. Actually, why I made these things, maybe somehow or some cases your phone language has changed and even you don't know that language. Even myself, I don't know this Catalan language, and in this time I will share with you, I will give you some trick to by default or how you can change that phone language to English. I know around the world everywhere everyone using English language. So now here is some trick I will share with you how you can jump over and change your phone language to English even you don't know the currently phone language have in your Realme C20A. For that, first of all, you need to find out this gear icon. Also, you can swipe up just like this. You're going to see the gear icon, which is the setting icon. So you're going to click over on it. After click over on it, you're going to see screen appear just like this. Scroll all the way down. And then you're going to see some icons appear, which is A. So anytime, any language, but the icon will be same, that icon not going to be changed. So we're going to click over in this A and then we're going to choose the second one. After click over second one, here you're going to see all the languages appear. From here, let me choose English United States and then we're going to click this upper one in the right side and then we're going to see a pop-up appear. We're going to choose the red color which is say do you like to set the default language. I'm going to choose the default language, this Catalan to English. So within this way you can easily change your Realme C20 language even you don't know the current language exists in your phone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.